Hey guys, do you know you don't have to spend a lot to get a quality headset, or in fact, anything quality? What's up guys, Techmo here. If you're new here, please hit on the subscribe button down below and also click on that notification bell so you get notified anytime I post content like this, or even better than this one. You don't really have to break your bank, just like I said before, to have a quality device, and this is the Bluedio 5T. I'm pretty sure a lot of you have not heard about this, and this is pretty cheap. So in this video, I'll be giving you my honest opinion about this device. How do you think this will compare against, say, a JBL? Kind of comparing the sound from this to a JBL I had before. It might not be a fair comparison, but then let's just see what happens. First, we're starting with the design, then the performance, the connectivity, the battery, then the price. First, this is made out of aluminium. It has aluminium frame, like the whole thing here is made out of aluminium, and it has this spiral thing on here. It has a spiral design here, which and the Bluedio logo is in yellow. This I got in yellow. The thing is, you see, you probably see other colors online, and it's not always available. So the most available one is this black color, and who doesn't love black? I mean, I love black. I'm all black. As design concerns, this has a pretty good head grip. Let me see. So you have it on here, and here we have a little bit of everything looking beautiful. Actually, it has the hair is on the right. You have right here. Then here is the left cup, and the foams here, the ear cups, they are actually very comfy, and they don't really hurt your ear, as this covers everything. Like, it covers your ear and you don't feel the pain. Like, I had a JBL which was kind of frustrating because it had this small cup, so if I listen to music too long, I have this pain here. So here we have a pretty basic design. We have a Type-C USB, we have the volume rocker in one place, up and down, then we have the power button, then we have the play and pause, and the active noise cancellation. Yeah, before I go too far, I forgot to mention that this is a noise cancellation headset. But here is it. For this price point, don't expect the noise cancellation to be really up to standard, like the headset you get for, say, $500. Is that a headset for $500? Yes, there is. $300, $400, or even $250. Don't expect the same noise cancellation quality as you get on those headsets. So here we have, as I've said before, basic design, nothing really heavy, and these are pretty comfy on the ears. They are not really, it won't stress you out for sure, and I kind of love this. It's really comfy, basic, and straight to the point. I think I'm cool with this. Some people would prefer going out with a smaller headset, and some would prefer going out with just earbuds. For me, I don't really care. As long as the sound I'm getting from my earphones or headsets is cool. If you stay indoors a lot and you want something that is comfy on your ears, would not hurt your penis, I think you should go for this headset. We've gone through the physical attribute of this headset, and now let's talk about why I think this is a good option, or this is good in my opinion. Ooh, I cannot express how satisfied I am with the sound quality. Okay, I think I should share with you the price. This is actually a low budget device, and it goes for 17,500 naira, which is around $40. Compared to my JBL, which is about $100, this headset here, they perform amazingly well. The sound quality on here is really good, and honestly, I was shocked. I was surprised to see that a headset this cheap could produce such sound. I'm not saying the JBL is bad, but I was really impressed with the sound of the Bluedio 5T, and I think I prefer it over this particular JBL. If JBL was to give you the same thing, the sound quality coming from this headset, probably a bigger ear cup, they will charge you way more than this cost, and it will be more expensive than this. I think there was something I left out, and I want to revisit this big boy here. So, picking up the box, we have pretty basic things here, where it says the turbine headset, the drawstring bag, which is the bag for holding I think I should open it for you guys to see. This is all you have in the box, and it has this black finish. I love black. So nothing really here, and here is all of the things you have inside it, and a book for those who like to read. I've never read a manual before. I don't know. If you like to read, you can go ahead. So here we have the Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. I actually tested these out for like 2 weeks so I could give you my honest opinion about them, because I saw a lot of comments online be like, oh, this is bad, this is not really up to standard. But guys, this is 17,500. It performs really good than most headsets I've seen. So on here we have the Type-C, then we have, of course I mentioned this, then we have this bag, which I feel they should have embroidered at least their logo on it, but it's cheap, so I don't really care. It has 25 hours battery life. The battery is actually not specified. I've used it for 2 weeks now, and I think I use it for 3 to 5 hours every single day. As expected, connecting this to your mobile device is pretty simple. It's basic. Just turn it on, turn your Bluetooth on, pairing, and if you're already connected, you don't even have to go to your Bluetooth. All you have to do is turn this on and it automatically connects to the headset. Oh, sorry, connect to the phone rather. Making calls on this is pretty basic, or an okay mic, really okay, not so bad. But if you're having a kind of a slow network and you are probably on a WhatsApp call, it will flicker a little from time to time. Overall, the sound quality, the build on this is amazing for the price point. I'm not saying it's the best out there, but what I find, this particular one, I am satisfied with it. So guys, if you're looking to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you already have one of these, drop a comment in the comment section below telling me how your experience has been with this so far. So guys, I forgot to add something. If you're really looking to get a very good quality from this headset, I suggest you use the bass booster EQ in your settings. For Apple users, you go to your settings, you go to music, you go to the EQ, then you change it to bass booster. For Android users, I think you can do that within the music app. Yeah, you go to your settings in the music app you're using, the preferred music app, you go to settings, bass booster, and you're gone. So let's get back to the video. So overall, this is a basic headset. Really good quality. The build quality is really good. It's durable, and the sound quality is what stole me. The sound quality on here is great, the build is great, and I would advise anybody who is looking to get a low budget headset to buy one of these. This is really good. I think this is even better than the 70 made after this one. This is the 5th gen, and it is the bomb. Like, it's amazing for this price. It's priced at 17,500 to 18,500 depending on the market. So before I go, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.